we live inside a lie. Life's just a flash, just that's moving really fast. Better stay on top of life or kick you in the ass. Follow me into a solo, remember that, kid? So what you wanna do, and where you gonna run when you're staring down the cable of a mic pointed at your grill like a gun? Limp Bizkit is rocking the set, it's like Russian roulette when you're placing your bet. So don't be upset when you're broke and you're done, cause I'ma be the one till I jet. I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, now I know why you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. And now you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. And now you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Does anybody really know the secret, or the combination for this life and where they keep it? It's kinda sad when you don't know the meaning, but everything happens for a reason. I don't even know what I should say, cause I'm an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. I analyze every second I exist, beating up my mind every second with my fists. And everybody wanna run, everybody wanna hide from the gun. You can take a ride through this life if you want, but you can't take the edge off the knife, no sir. And now you want your money back, but you're denied, cause your brain's fried from the sack. And there ain't nothing I can do, cause life is a lesson, you'll learn it when you're through. I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me, I know why you wanna hate me, now I know why you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me, cause hate is all the world has even seen lately.
I had gone see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it, Pam? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this. Oh baby, then it fell apart, fell apart. Oh baby, then it fell apart, it fell apart. Oh baby, then it fell apart, it fell apart. Oh baby, like it always does, always does. Stream sounds have told me, they held me down every night. I didn't have much to say, I didn't give up the light. I closed my eyes and closed myself and closed my world and never opened up to anything that could get me at all. I had to close down everything, I had to close down my mind. Too many things caught me, too much could make me blind. I've seen so much in so many places, so many heartaches, so many faces, so many dirty things.